ingredients. It's your girl B.A.Y.E Upcycle, and this is hashtag what we talking. What we talking is about food and nutrition, and today we'll be talking about protein. Yes, people, I said it. Protein. Vegans and vegetarians are gonna die because they don't get protein. Oh, well, I'm here to help disband that myth. So, first question up for grabs is, what is protein? Protein are chains of simple amino acids connected together. So, I made a little diagram. You see, these are amino acids. By themselves, it doesn't mean they're triangles, but by themselves, these are amino acids. And when they come together, they form protein. And they can link from any end, from this end, from that end. The thing is, they don't, for some reason in the picture, it didn't show that they link like from the top or bottom. It said they only link from side to side. And the proteins are actually made up of hundreds and sometimes thousands of these linking chains. And we actually have 9 essential amino acids that are very essential, meaning our body doesn't produce it, and so we have to intake it, and we can get those from different sources of foods. So before I go into that, I just want to say that there's actually 20 different amino acids. I'm not going to give you a list of the 20 different amino acids. I cannot pronounce over half of the 9 essential amino acids, but I am going to give you a list. And I feel like the light, there it is. So these are the 9 essential amino acids, and I realized that I should have wrote it backwards so that way you can see it better. But you can also Google these and find these out for yourselves. And it is said that we need 0.8 grams of these amino acids per 2.2 pounds of body weight, right? So if you are 100 pounds, right? And I'm gonna just round off for you so you have a better understanding. I'm not gonna hit it right on the nose, but if, let's say you are 100 pounds, and we know that for every 2 pounds you need 0.8 amino acids. So you would be looking at, give or take, 50 times 0.08 grams, which is probably about maybe 40 grams. I'm questioning my own math. I will come back to this and I will look at it and I will post it below, the correct math on that, just so I can move on and I don't have to restart this video over and edit all that out, because I give you guys me, full me, nothing but me, raw me, without editing. So moving on. Protein is in our skin, right? It's what makes up our skin, our nails, our hair, our blood, our muscles, right? And proteins are also we have some proteins in our body that we can make. I'm sorry, brain fart, because there was somebody on the side and I'm like, what? You kind of sidetracked me. What I wanted to tell you is there's complete proteins and then there's incomplete proteins. And a complete protein has all the 9 essential amino acids that we need. So it has all 9 in it, and it usually comes from poultry, fish, meat, dairy, soy, quinoa, and buckwheat. Those that I named off, they have all 9 essential amino acids that we intake. There is also incomplete protein that does not have one or more of the 9 essential amino acids, which is usually vegetables and legumes. So what they recommend is that we have a combination. So when you have your meal. You have a combination of complete and incomplete. You do not need a combination of complete and incomplete if you already have the complete. What you need is a combination of foods from the incomplete list that will give you all your 9 amino acids. So I did not go into research and search, oh, well, which vegetables, which fruit has which essential amino acids, but the idea is if you have a plate with a combination of the incomplete amino acids and you eat that plate, well, then you will have your complete 9 essential plus the other 11 amino acids that is really needed for the body. Okay, this is a very short one. It's straight, simple, straight to the point, and that's about it. That's all I have for you. Besides, I'm looking at my notes. Besides the fact that protein is needed to aid our cells with growth and cell reproduction. So that's why protein is so important. I believe that's probably why people freak out a lot. Like, oh, vegans are not getting enough protein. Oh, vegans are not, or vegetarians are not getting enough protein in their diet when they're not having X, Y, and Z, especially the protein part of it, right? All right, you guys. Forgive me if I seem kind of scatterbrained. It's been a while. I'm trying to get back into the groove of things. And that's it. That's what I have for you. That's all I have for you at this time. The next chapter, chapter 5, is going to be about vitamins from A to K. All right. Until next time. Peace. Oh, I didn't end it. My bad.